Hey, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing an unboxing and a review of the Zendure SuperTank Pro. Now it's a big bad boy of a battery charger. We're going to take a bit of a look at it. Heads up, I won this in a competition. Big fan of their products. I've got a fair few of them and I use them and I haven't had too many dramas. Great customer service, so I thought it was a good chance to say thank you to them and to have a good look at it and suss it out. It's going to be getting used on the 16-inch MacBook Pro, which chews the juice hard. There's no better test for it, and I'm the man to do it. I travel all the time on planes to work, and this bad boy is what I've been looking at. And I actually was going to buy one not long ago, just purely for the travel. So it's going to be a great chance to check it out and see what it can do, and how it can handle what we throw at it with a lot of editing and stuff on this bad boy here. Okie doke, let's hit that intro and let's take a look and unbox this and see if it's any good. Righto, let's talk to you soon. Hey, rightio. So here we are. As I said before, I won this in a competition. Feel very lucky about that. This is a $250 US battery pack, so I feel pretty privileged actually to have won it, and I do want to give Zendure a big shout out for letting me. I had the opportunity to win it. It's a pretty expensive item, and it's a pretty cool item. Something that I'm going to use a fair bit when I do my travels. So if you're new to the channel, I work on the other side of Australia and I travel by plane. Pretty tricky at the moment in COVID, let me tell you, but when I'm in the airports, I'm sitting down, and when I'm on the plane, I'm editing, and I do a lot of editing all the time when I'm traveling. It's a good chance to sit there and just pump it out. So in between breaks on planes, in between sectors, I can just whack it on this now and just charge it fully up and get it back ready to go, so I can do another hit. I'm going to get about 4 hours out of this if I'm editing on Lightroom and Premiere Pro at full speed. So it smashes the power pretty hard. So something this big and gutsy is what I've needed for a while. USB-C, PD input and output, 100 watts, fast charge devices and itself. It'll stay up to date with upgradable firmware, obviously when it's plugged into your computer and the internet source. And it's got an OLED display for various charging information. So that's sort of briefly what it is. We're going to unbox this and we'll talk a little bit more about it. So let's cut this bad boy open. Yeah, so very rare that you always think with the competitions that you may or may not win. And well, I won. I was pretty actually stoked when I seen the message on, I think it's Facebook, on the Facebook group. Yeah, very, very excited. So very, very cool. Now, they do normally do really good boxes, Zendure. I've had their cables, their headphones, and a couple of A3s, a couple of quick chargers. So I've got a fair bit of their gear, and been pretty impressed with the quality of it all so far. So very. A bit of suction there. Nice looking box. Oh, it even comes with its own case. Let's put that out of the way. Put it there. Bit of felt. There you go. Nice little hard case to carry it in. So that's pretty cool. Wrist strap. Nice. Pretty cool. It's always good to have something to protect it. As I said, it's a $248.99 on the website. They do have a few specials every now and again. So, but not a cheap item to win it as a prize is pretty darn cool. Here, right, USB to USB-C adapter, USB-C to USB-C cord, some stickers, some camping stickers off grid, the booklet, user manual, and warranty 24 months. So it's got a 2-year warranty on this product. So that's cool. Nice little case, super handy. Got a little elastic strap inside it, so you can keep your cords in here with your adapter. Might want to have that plugged onto a cord just for backup. Oh, it's USB-A, so that's going to be tricky. That'll be at the other thing. It'd be nice to have something else you could just slot that into. Let's get this puppy out. Nice firm. Definitely not falling out. The elastic strap on that one. Over there for a second. Usual. Find this. Where are you? Oh, it's here somewhere. Oh, there we go. Down there, and ooh, beautiful silver. It only comes in the one color, the silver. You do have a choice of batteries, I do believe. Let me just double check that for you. You get a lithium polymer or a lithium ion. I'm not sure which one I have been sent. Let's see if I can give you that information. Nothing to see here on the box. No, it doesn't say. We'll have to look into that. Okay, so it might be on the back here. SuperTank, how paying battery capacity 26,800 milliamps. It is onboard compliant, so that's pretty cool. Rated capacity 17,000 at 3 amps, 5 volts, 3 amps. USB-C, output USB-C. Made in China, but it's from Zendure USA, so very, very cool. It's got all your ratings there, so it's compliant for Europe as well, so that's pretty cool. 4 USB ports on the front. Looks like the 2 on the left computer and say iPad or tablet, and then the 2 on the right are compatible for phone and tablet. So obviously you can't have 2 computers checked on it. You've got to use the right ports to get that full juice out of it. I'm not sure. There you go. See that? It's powered on. OLED display. It's already got some watts, some battery in it, so it's 59% capacity. And well, I guess we should plug it in and just see if this bad boy works, and it will run my computer. Now I am on full battery on the Mac 16-inch. Let me just unplug that. Plug it straight into here. And there you go. She's charging. Now, once I've put it in there, you can see it'll give you a display. The beauty of the OLED display is it'll tell you what's in there and what it's doing, and we're currently uploading to the computer 30 to 32 watts of power. It's like that, I'm assuming that's a second, so that's what's going up to the computer to keep that powered, so that's pretty cool. Gives you a good idea, and then it'll obviously start off showing you the 4 ports available, and then once you're plugged in, it's just going to show you exactly what's coming in. Button on the side, right hand side of the unit to get that OLED display, so that'll switch off to save power obviously, but yeah, good little feature. So you can see I'm at 58% there. You can keep an eye on that while you're working, and if you just need to check if it's getting low, bang, you can see if you need to charge that up at the next stop or before you go. So look, pretty cool. Good little bit of weight, nice and solid, nice aluminium frame on it. Very, very happy. Pretty hard to beat it. Updated on the 16th of July was its last update. Upgraded version was a lithium polymer battery, so I'm assuming that's what this one is. I'm excited there. Definitely can't see. Anyway, I had a quick little look, and there's nothing in the booklet that says anything about the battery as such. I do believe, because it's only just been sent out, it will be the updated version. So I'd say it's going to be the lithium polymer battery, and that's the only one that's the one you want to probably get. That's the brand new battery. So when you are purchasing, and that's the one at $248.99 US. So check that out. So yeah, my apologies that I thought it would have been a little bit easier. I thought it would have had something on the box. Maybe I'll mention that to Zendure to just maybe get something in there just to say which model it is. But look, other than that, it's had firmware updates. The last one was 18th of June, so that's pretty cool. Super high watt thing, high watt charging, so that's cool. That 100 watts is huge. There's not many battery packs you can get out there that can do that. So to be able to have something that can run this while you're editing is pretty good, or to boost it back up while you're in between flights and stuff. So that's super excited about that. Obviously, you can run 4 chords, 4 items at once. I'm only using one at the moment, but that's pretty cool. Now, it's TI battery fuel gauge, land for adaptive charging and power cell balance. So it's got all that fancy tech in there to make sure it's all not going to overheat. It's a smart battery pack, so that's cool. Pass-through charging, so you can recharge the Supertank Pro from the input USB-C port while actually charging your computer at the same time, so that's pretty cool. It's got a very durable, as I said, it's got an aluminium frame on it, so that's pretty cool. So it protects the components in the guts, and obviously scratches and bits and pieces bounce around your camera bag and stuff while you're out, so that's pretty cool. And it's got 9 layers of protection, they're saying here. So monitors, again, it's got computers in there monitoring all safety, efficiency and temperatures and all that sort of stuff to make sure it's not going to explode or anything silly like that, so that's pretty cool. Total DC output's 138 watts. It does weigh 20 ounces and 565 grams. Now that's probably more important for us camera guys than most of the other tech that we're probably not going to know about, but it has got a bit of weight, but not ridiculously huge. Now, it's also, the other thing I will say, it's nice and compact, and you will fit that in a lens hole in your camera bag. So if you've got if you think about it, just a generic sort of lens size, that will easily fit in there. And if you've got a standard, I guess, lens, you'll be able to fit this and another, like a filter pack or something in that same hole to keep it all supported. So I think in that regards, it's pretty good. It's not a big long battery pack. You can get those big long ones. It's short. It's a lot thicker, but it's shorter too, so it'll fit in that bag and be a lot easier to handle. Other than that, connect to PC for your software updates, so that's all good, and yeah, looks pretty good. I'm going to be, basically a little bit of a gander at it now, but we'll be doing more review, and I've got to fly back shortly to work. Just waiting on some paperwork to come through, and yeah, we're going to be using this bad boy on the flights and on in-betweens, and yeah, a whole lot of testing coming up for this. And yeah, yet again, thanks to Zendure for winning this in the comp. It's very exciting, and I look forward to testing it all out. Okay, doke, hope you enjoyed that one. A quick one today. New studio, it's all happening. Big things for the channel, and hope you enjoyed it, and I will see more of you shortly. Thanks for stopping by.